Oh man. It's time to YOLO in, bro. It's time to YOLO in. Hold on. Oh, I forgot to do this. Hold on. Ah. Come on. Let's get that do not disturb on. There we go. All right. Oh man. Oh man. Okay. All right. I want to talk about the thumbnail and the title really fast. A little bit of an exaggeration, maybe. It's too goddamn funny. I am a sucker. My sense of humor is so childish that I love the Wall Street Bet shit. And anyways, I was not lying. I am going to YOLO in a little bit. Now, that may not be like, 1,000 shares or 100 shares even, but I am going to YOLO in before the end of the day or before the end of the stream today. As long as I survive, as long as I don't die during the stream. Next title, YOLO. Next. Yep. We are going to YOLO in. We are going to YOLO some shares. I'm not going to do a YOLO call, but I want to do something. I want to do something. Thank you, my friend. Thank you, my friend. But for Bionano's stop price, right? Screw the technical analysis. Where are we going to YOLO in at, Brandon? Where are you YOLOing in? Why are you YOLOing in? That's a better question. Oh boy, do we want to do the rant? The rant. Auspicious, I did it. I told you I was dumping half of my savings into Bngo, and I did it. Dude, it can't go. We can't go wrong. I'm wearing the suit, and we're YOLOing in Bngo. What can go wrong? What can go wrong? Oh God! Please don't do what I'm about to do. This is extremely risky. Please don't do this. But we're gonna YOLO in. I got some buying power. Let's see how many shares I can buy in total. Okay, so 196. I could YOLO a total of 196. Oh man. So today with the market, so let's go ahead and start doing it for real. Technical analysis don't work on the market tomorrow. Yeah, technical analysis doesn't work for the NASDAQ, boys. It doesn't fucking work. It does not work. So actually, before we talk, well, all right, I'll go for this first. So the NASDAQ is absolutely batshit crazy, my friends. We broke that. We've confirmed the breakdown like twice below the ascending level, and then we just went right back in. And right now we're trying to confirm the breakout. So it's like, what the hell is going on? Like in the past, we've got very clean validations, very clean. So there's not really much debate as to where this line should be drawn. I mean, I can take it down a little bit. But here's the thing, if we take it down a little bit, then we don't get this validation. So it's like, well, you really can't. So I've never done option, but only would look into leap calls. Yeah. should we all do leap calls right now? Oh man, this is what you do this is how you do it. You just go to some really long expiration day like January 2023, hit the ask, slap the ask, my friends, and then you do whatever the hell you want. You want to do, I can't even do the estimated debit, what, 3 shares is what I could do, or three contracts. I mean, I do 4. Yeah, that would be the total that I could do. But yeah, we're not doing that today, at least. Oh man, perfect post for Wall Street Bets. That's the damn truth. YOLOing in Bngo stock. I have an order for 530, only 10 shares. I'm honestly just going to go ahead and cancel this because I want to be able. We are going to YOLO in before the market close today. We are going to YOLO. We are going. The title was like a little bit of clickbait, but it mostly wasn't because we are going to YOLO in. We are YOLOing in a little bit. I don't know if we're going to do 10 shares or 100 or 200, but we're gonna do something. It's going to be fun. That's for sure. I want to look at the this article here. I did not even read this yet, but this was the meeting today, the Fed meeting today, not the Federal Reserve, but like a committee of the Federal Reserve. Okay, so some officials believe it may soon be time to consider tapering asset purchases meant to aid the U.S.'s economy recovery from the pandemic. So this went. I'm guessing this is what put the Nasdaq, gave the Nasdaq this insane price action that we've seen today, or at least earlier today. But I also want to look at Bitcoin here. I don't know what we want to do first. Should we just screw it? Should we just do the Bngo YOLO right now? I want more people to get in here though before we do. I don't know when to do it. I don't know. Would you be loading up on crypto or Bngo right now? I'm gonna be loading up on one of them. Stay tuned, my friend. We're gonna be doing some YOLOing. I promise you. What's Bitcoin at? It's doing well. It's doing very well, actually. When we were talking about Bitcoin, it was all the way down here. Now it got rejected at 40K, and now it's consolidating. We literally Bitcoin has been an easy play today, man. Congratulations anyone who got in on this one, man. I'm still in Mara with half my position. Here's the thing, Mara is barely reacting to this. Look at this, it dipped actually when Bitcoin was at like 42K. It very weird correlation with Mara. Very weird. Mara will correct, but right now I have half my position still riding. I think it can go a little higher. It should go a little higher based on Bitcoin's valuation right now. But here's one option that I could do. Let me know if you want me to do this, boys. I don't know. Maybe I will. I don't think I will, but maybe. I could take profits on the Mara trade today. I entered today. I got, I don't know. I had 57 shares, and then I only have like 23. I could take profits on Mara and then throw all the profits in Bngo and just YOLO them in Bngo. Let's go. Just bought $8 calls. Or eight calls or 8 strike price calls or what? Give us the details, my friends. Oh man, imagine buying Doge at 19. A lot of people did. Ethereum analysis. This thing hasn't really Doge and everyone's kind of cooling down in the crypto space, except Bitcoin is outperforming all of them like it should. Rightly so in my opinion. It looks like on the 30-minute chart, you have a little bit of a cup and handle. And actually, I want to talk about the Bitcoin real quick. We should have some flips now. Yeah, we have the 30-minute, we have the hourly, and that is it, I think. Okay, and the 2-hourly SAR. So, God, I got so many comments earlier. I got a couple comments like this morning, like, oh, Bitcoin is a falling knife. Don't buy when it's low. Like, dude. Like, you can't let I think one problem a lot of people have is they cannot buy when it's red, my friends. You have buy when it's red, be down short term to be up in the long term. And right now, it took about a couple hours for me to be proved right. What am I up on Mara right now? Almost 9% on the day. And it's actually, this is in reality, this is more like 15% because the only reason my Mara average is so high is because I kept half of these shares are from my previous swing trade that I took only half of profits on. So this is I actually entered today right here. I averaged in this morning. Most of my average was actually below 19. So I would be way up, way more than 6%. Or is it 8%? Okay, 8.5%. Wow. Yeah, so it would be 15. Maybe it would be a little higher than that, maybe. Auspicious, should I make a call to what? So you would choose Bitcoin over Ethereum? Yes, I would, but here's the thing. I'm not a bear on Ethereum necessarily because I don't know the technology for Ethereum, but I know the technology on Bitcoin, and I'm a huge Bitcoin bull, my friends. What was I going to say? Okay, oh boy, we got so many people ready to YOLO in with me. Please, please make your own decisions, guys, please. We could easily go red tomorrow. We could easily crash tomorrow. But we are going to YOLO in. with that being said, I am YOLOing in Bngo a little bit today. I am going to, because we're below my cost. As long as we're below my cost, I'm gonna add some. I don't know if it's going to be 5 shares or 10 or 50 or 100 or 200, but no more than that. I mean, I don't even have any more buying power. I guess technically I could take profits. I'll tell you what, if Mara gets a little bit of a nice push in power hour here, well, I guess we are in the second half of power hour. I'll take some profits from that, throw them in Bngo. All right. There isn't really any news. There really isn't. Let me check Mara's news. It looks like there's something. Wall Street remains lower after. Okay, what the? Let me tell you. This looks interesting. Wall Street's main indexes remain lower after minutes from an April Federal Reserve meeting. Participants agreed the economy remained far from the central bank's goals. Yes, they're talking about this meeting, I believe. Yes. S&P added to its losses, right? View, perspective, yada, yada, said they, as well as the Fed staff, that these inflationary pressures that are beginning to become evident and evident will remain transitory in their view and will likely recede as we transition into 2022. Okay, so we've got a little bit based on that. Based on that, we've got a little while until things are going to change as far as, their transitory policies, right? AKA, make the printer go brr. What's that mean? Where's that? Oh, I need that meme to pop up right now. I need to figure out a way to make that happen. And the low interest rates and everything and all other crap that they're doing, right? Strong inflation readings and signs of a worker shortage in recent weeks have fueled fears and roiled stock market, despite reassurances from Fed officials that the rise in prices will be temporary. I kind of want Bngo to dip right now so I can YOLO in at a lower price. Here's the thing, man. It's really not a YOLO. I mean, it is. Why did you sell your CTXR? It's the only promising positive one from the ones you've had a few months ago. Well, I sold that a while ago, my friend. I sold that like a month ago. I sold it mostly because Bngo was too good of a deal. Bngo was too good of a deal, my friend. It was when it was at 430, would below 5. I was loading the boat. That's why I'm almost positive right now. That's why I'm basically even. That's why I'm even. If I wouldn't have averaged down so aggressively, I would still be red. And Bionano's, you know the spiel on Bionano. So, but anyways, back to what I was saying. It's not really a YOLO, given that my main reason why I actually decided to do the YOLO video today, right? Throw the YOLO title in today. It's because 840K shares added by the insiders, right? 840K shares, and as long as we don't get a Form 4 indicating that they sold, that is super bullish because they are up tens of millions of dollars. Literally, they were awarded the shares on the 12th, so Wednesday last week, right before earnings. So I wonder if that's a coincidence. No, it's not a damn coincidence. They got the shares right before earnings, and I don't actually. How long do they have to file? How long does anyone know how long it takes for what's the due date for filing a Form 4? Form 4 due date. Let's see. They would need to file by the end of the second. Okay, here it goes. So this is what I thought. All right, that's actually even more bullish. Okay, so what is the Form 4 deadline, right? So for most transactions, they have to do it by the end of the second business day following the transaction. So if they were to sell any shares, we would know instantly, and that's why I'm okay with YOLOing in. That is why we're going to YOLO in here. I kind of want to dip here before the market closes. We got 18 minutes to YOLO in. We are going to YOLO some shares in. You don't follow. It would honestly feel so fucking cool if we all just fucking YOLO and celebrate together when it 2x's at end of year. It's only going to be fun if it 2x's at end of year or more if we YOLO in now, my friend. Or not YOLO. I keep saying YOLO. I'm an ape, man. I'm a Wall Street bet sucker, man. I love the ape language crap. I love it. So yeah, we're YOLOing in. We're YOLOing in, man. Here, I might play the what do you call it? God, I forgot the name. The barcodes. I might put an order in right here. I've been YOLOing all day. Welcome to the party, my friend. Oh God. But yeah, back to what that reminds me personally. That reminds me, this is extremely bullish. All right. Oh God, if they sold, they got these last week, and if they didn't already sell when we were up almost $6, why would they sell now? They're not selling. Point is, the insiders just got 840,000 shares, actually, you know what? That might be hundreds of millions of dollars. Because all those shares were at zero. Wait a second. 840,000. Hold on. Let me do some math here. Hold on. Let me do some math. 840K times about 5.5. Okay, so 4 million. Okay, so comma right there and comma right there, right? 3, 3, 1. So yeah, 7 digits. So $4 million the insiders got in shares. In money, I mean, they literally, the insiders just got $4 million. The CEO and the chief is it the chief operating? God, I keep forgetting stuff. God dang it, man. Is it the chief operating officer or the chief? I think it is. I think it's the chief operating officer, I think. Let me check. It's Mark Olodowski. I forgot if he's the I think he's the COO, the chief operating officer. Let me make sure here. Yes, chief operating officer. All right, boom. So yeah, these guys both got a total, in total, right? Both of them combined $4 million. $4 million in profits. In profit. Well, I guess not technically because they haven't sold yet. I guess technically it's zero in profit, but they are up $4 million. Just like that. Just like that because of the incentive program. And you can watch my previous videos if you want to know how they actually got the shares and if there's dilution. In short, no, there's not really any dilution risk. Really, I mean, there's a very small amount. So what do you call it? Yeah, 4 million shares, $4 million the insiders just got, and they're holding all those profits, and that tells me that they're extremely bullish. So that's why I'm YOLOing today. So it's not a true YOLO, but it kind of is, right? Close enough, right? We're adding. Yes, we're down. Yes, it's a good buying opportunity, but we're still up a lot, like compared to the last week. But still, it's good, man. It's good. It's close enough, man. Come on, Auspicious. Please take a look at crypto. Everything is for sale. Man, I've been taking a look at crypto the whole day, my friend. Yeah, hell yeah. Dude, I traded Mora. When Mora was down 19% this morning, dude, I loaded the boat, my friend. I loaded the boat. And I took profits on half my position up here. And I kept half of my position in because it's just too... Mora and Bitcoin, not even necessarily Bitcoin, Mora especially. Mora is especially, and Riot even. If you like Riot better for some reason, Mora is definitely better for me. But it's in such an auspicious buy. Even at these prices, it's not bad. Now, I would be really careful if you're buying at these prices, okay? Because we have a couple reversal signs, but not a lot. And we got a lot of negative news catalysts potentially. So when you IPO Auspicious dissenT, can I be the CFO and get free shares? Oh man. Outside, I don't even know. Yes, my friend. Yes. Are we sure those are shares and not warrants? Yes. Yes, we are sure. I'm 99% sure. Look, it's shares. It's shares, my friend. And if we look at the little one there, it is, if we go down here, it represents restricted stock unit awards granted under this plan that we've already gone over in depth. It is shares. It is shares. I'm 99.9999% sure. I think they know they will be worth over $10 billion someday. Hopefully they don't look at yachts for sale online for another 5 years. Honestly, that's the damn truth right there. We need Bionano to just focus on their work and not look at all the stuff they can buy with their $4 million in profit right now, man. God, is this are we really about to barcode the rest of the day? Is that how it's gonna be? All I can think of is Robbie from American Dad. Okay, there we go. We're dipping a little bit. Oh, I kind of want to YOLO right now. I don't know when we're gonna YOLO. I think we're gonna YOLO before the close, right before the close. UVXY. Let's check the broader markets here. IWM bleeding a little bit. Nasdaq is going to finish the day hopefully within this level. Oh god, it's not. This level is not even important anymore because it literally just doesn't even care. But still, I would love to end the day not shitting ourselves, which we are right now. The Nasdaq is shitting its pants and there's crap everywhere. It smells god awful. Come on, buddy. We need to be going. R2, we need to be going up, not down. I need to find another quote. Oh, CTXR is green now. That's probably why people are saying, like, oh, why did you sell CTXR? This is a good company, man. I like their technology. The Mino lock, FDA approval on that thing, it's going to do great things. It's going to do great things. Buy the dip. Buy the dip, pussies. Yes, buy the dip, my friends. But if you do buy the dip, know what the hell you're doing, please. I'm just waiting to YOLO in. I'm just waiting. Oh, how many shares should we do? How many shares? I can only do a max of, let's see, a max of 200 shares. How many should we do? I guess technically we could do more if I sell Mora. I don't want to, though. If I sold Mora, it would not be all of it. I cannot sell all of my Mora. I'm going to buy a long 2023 call on Bngo for 400. What do you mean for 400? Give me the actual, like, give me the strike price, the expiration. Give me all that. Give me the, here, let me show you. Let me give you an example. Okay, strike expirations, and then the quantity, and tell me if it's at the money. Well, I guess yeah, strike. You'll tell me if it's at the money, in the money, out the money, whatever. Do you think we'll see 500 on Bingo? Oh my gosh, everyone is saying 200. Everyone is saying 200. We got a 1,030. Peer pressure, man. Peer pressure is too strong. I'm gonna have to do it now. No, I don't know. We'll see. I don't know what we'll do. I'll tell you what. If Mara ends the day really strong here in the last 10 minutes of the close, I'll sell some of this, and 200 shares equals YOLO. Okay. They probably are restricted about when they can sell them. I remember one person had a bunch, but he couldn't sell them till September 20. Oh, Havana, are you sure? I don't think that's. I don't know about that. I hope you're wrong about that. I was looking at the plan. I didn't read all of it because it's so long, but let me find it real quick. Oh, this is like such a stark contrast from YOLOing in, from, YOLOing. We go from YOLOing Wall Street betting to, doing the actual research. What's that one called? 2018 incentive plan, right? 2018 incentive plan. Gosh, do I even have it? Do I have it linked in here? Let me see. I don't know if I do. What the heck? What is this? It? Here, you know what? If I look it up on Fintel, I can find it, I think. All right. Yeah, let me just look it up here. $3 strike, January 20, 2023. Awesome. Base positive. That is sweet. In the money, long-term expiration, limited time decay. That's hell yeah, man. Hell yes. I think you're going to do very well. I think you will. Please know what you're doing, though. Please know what you're doing. Of course it's not guaranteed. Bionano is not guaranteed to hit 20 to 25 by end of year. I never say it is. I always say it's not guaranteed to, my friend. I don't know if you're implying that, but can I search? Okay, all right, let me see. 2018, or is it 2016? No. Stock equity. Gosh dang it. I can't find it. Oh gosh, I got to go back to the section. I'm not gonna be able to find. Hey, somebody, Havana, send me the link to that. God, I can't find it now. I have to organize this document better. Literally every day, every stream, we deal with this. Every stream, I can't find the damn. Where was it? I know I can find it in here if I look hard enough, but it's from 2016, or I think it's from 2018, right? Wait, let me see. Hold on. Let me go to the form 4. It's from 2018. Yeah, okay, so it's the 2018. You know what? Let me just Google. I'll probably have an easier time Googling this. Or I guess I don't use Google technically, but still, you know what I mean. Okay, here it is. I think this is it. Yeah, this is it. Wait, this is different. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, all right, I found it. All right, let me link this so I don't forget again. Gosh, there's so many documents I have to link in here. There's so many. Oh. All right. 2018 stock incentive program thingy. Boom. All right, sweet, we got it. Where is it now? Did I lose it again? So Havana, what did you say exactly, Havana? I forgot what you said over all this. Brendan, thank you so much, my friend. Okay, yeah, so you were saying this was Freak Out had back in February. It was the new chief financial officer. Hold on. You said that a lot of these programs, when they get shares from them, they're restricted about when they can sell. I don't think. See, if we look at the definition of a restricted stock award, which is what it is. God, I have too many tabs open, too many documents. There's a ton of important stuff here. Okay, so it's basically, let me zoom in. All right, so it's the, hold on. Restricted stock unit award. Restricted stock unit award. So if we control F that, restricted stock, let me try that again. Stock unit. Wow. All right. Is this even the right document? Oh, here it is. All right. Restricted stock units award. Okay. So this is the definition, right? Restricted stock unit award means an award of restricted stock units under this plan. Yes, but what is the damn definition? Means a right to receive one share. Okay, here you go. So common stock, and I don't think they have to, which shall. Hold on. My brain cells are thinking right now. And to the extent set forth in the applicable agreement, the fair market value of such share of common stock in cash, which shall be contingent upon the expiration of a specified restriction period, and which may, in addition thereto, be contingent upon the attainment of specified performance measures within a specified performance period. God damn, my brain cells. Franco Investment, thank you, my friend. Legendary. Hey, Franco. Oh, that reminds me. Hey, we're gonna do. should I give him the plan for going to Bionano's headquarters and breaking into the Sapphire and capturing the CEO? No, but seriously, we are trying to do. I'll send you an email giving the details, but we're trying to do some sort of YouTube publicity events where we all fly to California, all the YouTubers, a ton of YouTube. I don't know how many people, 12, 10, 5, 3, 1. I don't know what it's going to be, or a Zoom virtual meeting. But we're going to go fly. Well, I'm going to get in contact with Eric and the investor relations, and we're going to fly down to California and do a full facility tour, my friends. And they're going to pay for our expenses. I hope. we are going to be an expense for Bionano. SEC English kills my brain. Isn't that the damn truth, man? I still don't understand fully, but basically I think Ivana is right. There's a specified upon, okay, here. Which shall be contingent, right? Which is implying the transactions that you can make with that common stock, right? Upon the expiration of a specified restriction period, right? So yeah, that does make my little synthesis a little less bullish, but it's still bullish. Come on, it's still bullish. And if we actually read the restriction period, right? So it means any period designated by committee during which either the common stock subject to, oh God, I can't even see this. I can't see this. Subject to a restricted stock award may not be sold, transferred, assigned. Okay, when disposed of, except as provided in this plan relating to the award. The conditions to vesting applicable to a restricted stock unit or other award shall remain in effect. Yes, but what is that? What is the vesting applicable? What is that? When does it vest? When are they able to sell? That's what we need to figure out. Somebody tell me if you know. Somebody tell me when they can actually sell these based on this document. Does anyone know? Yeah, there is a vote. Oh yeah, by the way, make sure everyone go vote in Bionano's here. Let me go to their website here. Everyone go vote. Just go literally down. Well, last I checked, they had it. Last I checked, it was the first thing they had. Here, let me go to the IR. Maybe they have it on the IR. Yeah, I think it's here. Yep, vote for annual meeting. Yeah, vote for these. Vote yes. The company wants you to vote yes on both of them, I believe. Oh shit, we have 3 minutes. Oh no, Bionano's running without me before I could YOLO in. No. Okay, but hey, I said I was gonna sell Mara. I said I was gonna sell her if we pushed before open or before close, and I was serious. Okay, we're gonna sell about half of my shares right now. We're gonna sell 13 of them. We're gonna take profits at 21.72. If it fills, it probably won't fill. $8 call, 8 calls, 7 cents, $7 calls, June 21. The option lingo messes with my head sometimes. I want you to, when you tell me options, it better be in the standard format, or else I will get confused, my friends. Strike expiration quantity, or and the yeah, that's it. Really, the strike and expiration is all you need. And if it's a call, I hope it's a call. I hope it's not a put. No, Phil, I'm going to take it down to 21.70 because I actually do really want this to fill. I was serious when I said we're YOLOing in, and I mean to I don't know, honor my word. You think that's the right word? All right, did it fill? Yep, it filled. It filled. Let's go. All right, now how much buying power do we have now? We have $1,800 of buying power. How much can I YOLO in Bionano? I can YOLO 271 shares. I'm not about to YOLO. You guys know I'm not about to YOLO all those, but I will YOLO a little bit. We are gonna. Hey, I titled this "YOLOing up my life savings in Bionano." That was clickbait a little bit, but we are buying a little bit at least, my friends. At least. Come on, let's get a little bit of a dump. Yeah, we have a little bit of a cup here. Little bit of a miniature cup and handle, very, very miniature. Here, let me go to the 5-minute and draw up the ascendant support, see if that's anything and if that's going to be relevant at all. Oh, yes, it is. Wow, look at that sweet level of ascending support that we actually held the entire day besides this little false breakdown. And this, I bet you this is the exact time, 1400. That's the exact time that's the exact time that the damn FOMC was going on, man. Market close in 5 seconds. Oh, no, stop going up, stop going up. I want to YOLO. I think we're gonna YOLO in right during the after hours. All right, here we go. I'm gonna put an order in for you know what, I'm gonna hope, God, I don't even know if it's gonna go down lower than this. I'm gonna YOLO in, God, how many shares should we do? 50, 75, 100. Oh gosh, peer pressure. Oh man, no, I can still, guys, we can still buy if it's after hours, my friends. You didn't think I would let the markets stop me from YOLOing in, did you? You didn't think the markets were going to stop that? Hell no. Harbana, what do you mean? Christopher, yes, that's the vote. Yeah, it's some weird, there's nothing really crazy. Yeah. 50 is good. 50? Everyone's saying different numbers. Or 75, 111, half of what you can. Oh, that's a little bit much. I wasn't even thinking half. I was thinking 200 shares, no balls. All right, that's it. I'm in. I'm kidding. All right, we're gonna do. This is too funny. We got your back, Hada boys. Hey, for everyone, this is serious. All right, I gotta do a little disclaimer here. That's not the financial advice spiel, but a similar one. Please don't match me. If I go down, if I YOLO in here today like 30, 50 shares, and we're down tomorrow, I'm hodling because I have diamond hands, bitch. I have diamond hands. I'm hodling this thing to the moon, and we are trying to return Bionano to its true value. That has been suppressed by market manipulation, suppressed by the high growth, absolute annihilation, and the fundamental value. We're trying to get it back over to its actual fundamental value, at least at it, which I believe objectively at least $10. So please do your own damn research. Anyways, with all that being said, for anyone who made it through all of that, it is time. We're going to YOLO. What is the magic number going to be? We are going to do 30 shares. We're going to do 30 shares, my friends, as of now. As of now, we're going to do 30 shares. I may do more later. We may do more later. 0 day trades. If this order is executed, I have to hold. I'm hodling till the moon. Not relevant. We are hodling. We are hodling till 10 and beyond. This thing is barcoding so good, it's like a penny stock scare. Yeah, that's true. That's true. And you know why it's barcoding, man? Because the damn volume is nothing. We did not even get the 3-month average. Oh my gosh, this is what I try to do. I literally, when a Bionano's volume is bad, I just blame myself that the videos. Oh God. We got to get the volume up. We have to get the interest up. I've been doing my part with the damn Reddit and the videos and the Twitter and everything. Oh man. 30 today, 75 tomorrow. Yeah, if we're down tomorrow, I'll add more. Hey, I told you guys, if we go below $5, I'll make it Bionano 100% of the portfolio probably. Probably like 90% chance. Boomstick, I will answer that in a second, my friend. I'll answer that in the end, maybe, or later, when we get to nothing to talk about. But yeah, we are YOLOing. Did it get filled already? It did. It got filled. We're in. Filled today. We're good to go, man. 30 shares YOLO'd in. That's my entire life savings. Oh man, yeah, people losing the interest. Yeah, no one is interested in Bionano now. No one's interested. We got to get the apes with us. We got to blow. Okay, I've said this before, and this sounds a little selfish, but it's just the truth, I think, honestly. All right, our channel blowing up is the most direct way to increase the Bionano volume, and it's not like we're trying to pump and dump or be like, oh, let's make some money off the people watching the channel off of Brandon's success. No. We're trying to get them to see this document, my friends. The motherfucking 84-page document. The 84-page document, my friends. We need them to see this, and once they see this in the aggregate, even if they're apes, they're gonna want to invest in the company because it's so damn auspicious. It's so auspicious. Instant relief when I hit the buy. That's what I'm talking about. People lose interest till it starts running a bit. Yes, but we need to sustain that interest because Bionano, we can't just have Bionano only get high volume when we go up after an earnings report or some catalyst. We need to sustain 40, 50, 100 million volume. Drop a few posts in r/super stonk. All right, done. I will. Let me. I don't know if I'm in that one. I don't think I am. I'll do that right now. I will post that right now, my friend. I swear to God. Watch this. We're about to pump Bionano stop price single-handedly. If anyone who's wondering, oh, how do I actually increase the stop price? This is how. I don't think I'm in super stonk. Is that what it's called? I can't see. What was it? Did I just lose the damn? It wasn't okay. Yeah, super stonk. I love the name already. I love this community already. All right, here is this the one? I'm guessing this is the one. Do these guys suppress you? Do these guys take away good posts? All right, this is how you do it, dude. This is how you post on Wall Street Bets, guys. Anyone can do this, okay? As long as you give me the credit, even if you don't, I don't really care. All right, this is how you do it. You just copy and paste. You just copy and paste my work and just post it to a Reddit thread, and it takes forever because my laptop doesn't work. But this is how you do it, my friends. We just do this until like we're at page 30, and then you post it, and then you hope you get a lot one. Super stonk, top one. Hell yeah, we're doing it. We're doing it, my friend. We're about to try to pump the Bionano stop price through a Reddit post. Nah, not at all. They're on top of it. All right, good. Wall Street, but unlike Wall Street Bets, Wall Street Bets is picking and choosing who they want to see. All right, that's probably good enough. Yeah, I'll go ahead and do right there. All right. And then you just got to do a little bit of a custom message here for really quickly. And then this is, anyone can do this. Please do this and make your own modifications. Add your own due diligence, please. If anyone wants to know how to make your own due diligence, please. I cannot post full document as Reddit's 40K limit restricts me. And then you dap, boom. There you go. Yep. And then let's see if it works. Let's see if this one works. Let's put the flare as DD. Here we go. Please work. Please don't be automatically removed. Okay, let's go. All right, boys. You heard. All right, I'm gonna send the link in the live chat right now. All right, boom. I'm gonna pin that if I can. All right, there we go. Boom. Pinned 40, my friends. Everybody go upvote this. We're about to send super stonks to Bngo. We're about to pump Bionano in an organic way with due diligence. That's what we're about to do here, my friends. Mara's up at 1% after hours too. Man, I'm gonna have to sell more of this. I'm gonna have to sell more of Mara for Bionano. Do you have your YouTube name in your due diligence? Yes, I do. Yeah. Well, actually, in the Reddit thread, I won't. But like at the bottom here, yeah, I have a little plug section. Look, I have Auspicious to say. I have this pretty irrelevant to Bngo, and then I have my YouTube channel, the website, the Twitter, the email. Right, I have all that stuff in. Yeah, and in the end, I think I have more in the end as well. Yeah, I talk about a ton of this stuff. Also, let me just go ahead and just pin the what do you call it? Let me just pin my YouTube as well in there just for the hell of it. But yeah, I do have that. Upvoted, hell yes. Upvoted, boys. We got to pump the thread. We got to pump the thread. It's last resort time, man. It's last resort. Literally, we've done all we can to increase Bionano stop price. It doesn't want to be increased. The institutions are holding it down. Everyone is against us. Retail investors are panic selling. Citadel got a put. They've got a call too. They're actually more bullish than bearish. But Nasdaq is fucking us over. Russell 2000 screwing us over. Nothing is working. We got to pump, boys. We have to work 10 hours a day and do Reddit threads and Twitter and YouTube videos. Everything. Social media spamming. We got to do it all. We have to do it all, man. We have to do it all. What? What is this? Yeah, we have to move Bngo. Brandon, make the stonk go up. Oh man. I love it when people do that because it's so funny. All right, let's check the Discord. Is there any news? Please tell if there's news for Bngo. Tell me, please. When there is news, when we're on stream, especially, and not even that, please post it in the Welcome to Bngo News Only channel, my friends. Please, that will help me out a lot. Mars up almost 1% after hours. All right, let's actually do some stonk talk besides Bngo, right? I mean, this is a Bngo stream. I mean, everything is Bngo. Nice cup and wow, Bitcoin is forming another cup and handle. Wow. I might have to play the breakout here, man. I'm feeling worse about playing about selling Mora. I actually do feel good about it though. I'm buying. Hey, when you sell something in the green, you can't feel bad. You especially on a day trade too. That was literally what we're up like 15% today. Thank you, Kyle. Thank you, my friend. You're a legend. Legendary, my friend. Does anyone have Fintel Premium? Oh, God, I need to get that. I promise you, there's going to be so many increases in the channel quality. I'm going to get Fintel.io Premium just because I really want to see the, what do you call it? Oh, it's still loading. I'm going to exit some tabs because my computer is about to blow up. This is probably not good. Those are all sources that we need to talk about, but also I'm going to delete some files. Let me delete some files real quick. I haven't done this in a while. All right, downloads Yoloing. Okay, good. I delete my files literally every day. Still super. What do you call it? Super slow. It doesn't matter. That's why we're getting the new laptop and the $700 laptop. AGTC Brandon, I will. Bionano just posted news on the website. What the hell? You better not be messing with me. You better not be messing with me, son. Come on, I'm sweating. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Go. News and events. May 19th. Oh my gosh, we have news. We have news right now. All right. Bionano Genomics announced today that the company management will present virtually at the Oppenheimer MedTech Tools and Diagnostics Summit being held on May 26th. The presentation will be available, yada, yada. Oh, wow, that's it. Okay. That's it. There's nothing else. Oh, my gosh. Oh, man. Bro, did you check your front door? Oh, crap. Is it here today? K&K, my friend, you're a legend for sending that lightning, by the way. Until I die, until you pull a Unabomber, my whole family dies. No, I'm messing, my friend. I'm messing. No, I'll check it. I'll check it right after this. I promise. Let me write that down. I'll probably forget, anyways. Honestly, lighting. Hopefully it'll. Hey, my friend. God, this is too fun, man. I enjoy myself too much on these streams, man. What do you call it? What was I gonna say? God. Yeah, I was gonna say the lighting that you sent me, even if it's really good, it still may look shitty because this is my phone, right? We're using the phone to record here, which it looks great when I look at it. But because of my damn laptop settings, I have to tone down. You see how it's fuzzy in the background? That's literally mostly because I have to have it on low pixels and low all the other crap, the audio settings. I have to have all of it on low because otherwise my CPU will be like way faster. My FPS will be down and it's horrible. So, but it's gonna get better. It's gonna get better. Go take a peek, Will. Go take a peek. That sounds scary. That sounds ominous. Is it gonna be a bomb? I'm scared. No, I'm messing. That movie was actually good. That series. What was it called? It was about the Unabomber. It had that one guy in it. What's that guy's name? He's in everything. I don't fucking know. I don't usually like anything that's not fantasy related as far as movies or any story. So that's really rare. But that one wasn't bad. I mean, it was pretty bad, but it was all right. Okay, so Bngo News. Yeah, this is the thing that we just saw, right? What the? Okay, it's a. All right, you downloaded it for me. That's a complex way. You should have just sent a link. But what is this? Oh no! Come on! I'm just going to go ahead and assume this news. Hey, let me know right now. If that news is different than this, let me know. Ted Kaczynski. Oh, God, you all are too funny, man. But yeah, the news is, it's good. It's good. I've been wanting news like this for a while, and I love that we were able to see it on stream. I thought it was going to, I got really excited for a second, but then there's literally nothing to go over. There's literally nothing to go over. Here, let's click this, see if there's anything we can see on here that's not. Yeah, let's register. Oh, yeah, let's stream this. 8 o'clock Central Time, so that's 8 o'clock Eastern. That's going to be 7 o'clock Central. Should we stream this? I think we should. Let's do it. Let me know. Can I get some affirmation in the comments? Can we stream this one? I would love to. Okay, good. Same thing. All right, thank you. Thank you. Let me know. Should I register for this right now? Should we set it up? Tomorrow price target $6, $6.10. I think the SAR on the daily will most likely go down to roughly 605. Man, good indication. John Graham, my friend. Good little analysis there. Oh wow, Bionano is down. Okay, no, that's SOS. Let me look at the daily here. Yeah, so you're saying it's going to go down to roughly 605. You're thinking it's going to go down another 10 cents. That is historically what it has done nearly every day. Given the price action went down a little bit more today, it's probably going to be a little less. No, it'll probably, yeah, you're right. I agree with you. It will probably be down at 605 today. So basically, to get the SAR, the parabolic stop and reverse indicator, bullish flip, reversal sign tomorrow, we'll probably need to break out and hold above 605, 6010, or not 6010, 610, roughly. And my predictions are, if the NASDAQ goes green, we're going to break that. Yeah, I think we're going to break that at some point. If the NASDAQ is green whatsoever, I think Bionano will hit $6 and beyond tomorrow. Probably. Please do your own damn research. I could easily be wrong. We can get delisted at any point, my friends. I promise you. I think there's like a 0% of that. But who knows? Who knows, man? Who knows what is going to happen? Not me. I don't claim to ever know for sure what's going to happen. AMC, what did AMC end the day at? Let me see. What did AMC close the day down with? Wow, 9%. Wow. Yeah, AMC. That AMC crowd is probably pissed off today. I want AMC to squeeze right now. Actually, no, not right now. I want it to squeeze, so then after the AMC boys, after they take profits and get out of here, I want to funnel them. Here, let me. Did this fall down? I feel like this fell down. Ah. This is why we need good equipment. I need a webcam, not my phone. Okay, that's good enough, I think. 0.00% up. We're going to the moon. Honestly, I'm signing up as we speak. Hell yeah. Okay, awesome. Do it, Anakin. Do it. I can't do the Palpatine voice. I cannot do the Palpatine voice, man. All right. Look at Auspicious. Look at it. Wait. Let's do parentheses. IPO-ing soon. If anyone gets that joke, you're a legend. That's not that funny, but I think that's pretty funny, honestly. All right, we're good. Registers, boom. It's going to be May 26th. I'll probably forget, but yeah. All right. Let's see if there's any other information here. So it's Oppenheimer that's going to be doing the presentation. So wait, let me read this again. The company management. Okay, so Bionano's company management is going to be presenting at this thing. Then, okay. All right. There's not much information here. This could be anything. What are they going to be presenting on? What could this be? This could be anything. Could it not be? 6 minutes ago, news drop Bngo still loading in Webull. Yeah, I know. That's why you can't trust the Webull. Webull is not fast updating the news section. That's why you have to. That's why I do the Google sources, the Google searches, the Discord, Reddit. Facebook, that's how you have to find it. You can't find it this way, or the company's website. That's probably the number one way, and the Twitter. So yeah, but that's good news. I like that. We have not had a study like this for a while, really. I mean, let's see, when was the last time we had it? We did have that one thing. Was this the L thing? What was that? No, this one's different. Okay, that's the Dr. Cole thing. Yeah, is that even new? I don't think this one's even new. Let me see. Is there a link here that I can get full screen here? No? Wow. Let me see. Well, anyways, matter of time, friends. I think it is. I think it is a matter of time. Yes. Can you take a look at Bitcoin too? Yeah, we're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin. No doubt. No doubt, my friend. No doubt. 100% we will. Damn, why is the UVXY always doing good after hours? I swear to God, every day this week, the Russell is down, SPY is down, and then ProShares is up after hours. Also, talking a little bit about the NASDAQ. Holy shit, I didn't even see this. Look at the NASDAQ today. Very bullish time, because every day I say this, and I have to repeat this, I'm sorry, but before the market closes, this is bullish because traders who don't trade with Webull, like those unfortunate souls, free stock in the description with Webull, that does offer after hours trading, unlike these unfortunate souls, quick plug there, sorry. They're getting in before the market closes because guess what? They think tomorrow is going to be bullish. That's what they're betting on given the price action. There's no other way to extrapolate this. People are bullish rest of the week, my friends. Based on that, that's one indicator. Okay, they can be wrong. Catalyst will go crazy. Frunkla just showed up, gave you money, then left. I'm gonna give that guy what do you call it? I'm gonna reach out to him, man. I'm gonna reach out to him. I'm gonna, if he wants to. He didn't respond to the thing. I was trying to talk to him. Frunkla, let me know if you're still there, my friend. I doubt it. But yeah, let me know what you think about the whole idea, and join our Discord so you can see the what do you call it, the Bngo tour and trip. Please let me Havana, by the way, that thing is awesome. Please do that. If you have any doctor friend or doctor friend family, scientist, geneticist, anything, and you have any experience, like you know, if they work somewhere that has the Sapphire or even sequencers, get information that you can and post it in the Bngo subreddit, or not subreddit, channel here, and then finalize the DD and then make it clean and then post it here. I'm telling you, man, we are going to make this Discord is going to be so great for us in the next few years, man, in the next few months. If Bionano does what I think it will, you're going to wish you joined the Discord, wish you did your due diligence, wish you were part of the community right now, a long time from now, or short term. I'm bullish short term, hell. One thing that I'm really confused about, though, hold on, let me go back to the fucking, oh, God, I forgot where it was. Oh my, here we go again. I can't find it. Hold on, I did just link it. I got, okay, here it is. One thing I am confused about, please, somebody tell me. Somebody tell me, here, let me go back here. Okay, never mind. I'll just exit. Anyways, somebody tell me what, where's the definition here? Restriction period, right? This is very eluding. This is not very, here, let me see if I can find this. It has two eyes there. Sorry, I'm doing some digging. This is what due diligence digging looks like. The I. Okay, wait, so I. This is I. That's 3. So stock options and stock appreciation rights. Here we go. Okay, I'm probably going to be able to find something here. This is, if anyone's confused here, this is in regards to the insiders picking up 840K shares. They didn't pick them up, but they got them because of this plan here. And we're trying to figure out if there's a restriction period or if they can just sell out like that. If it would be more bullish if they're allowed to sell out just like that, and they didn't. But based on this, I think there is some sort of restriction period that we're about to read about right now. All right. Oh God, here we go with the SEC jargon, right? Let me see if I can just find the one thing we need. Okay, it looks like we're gonna have to do some digging because I'm not finding anything about the vesting, stock appreciation rights. Okay, that literally tells me nothing. That tells me absolutely nothing. Hold on. Stock options. Okay, the company may, in its discretion, grant options to purchase shares. That is not of incentive. Okay, we want to know the information if it is the incentive stock option, right? Damn, bro, I don't know what this is. There is no information here. Option period and exercisability. Okay, here we go. An option. This is an actual option though, not the option to, not the stock option thing. This is an actual option, I think, because it's talking about exercisability, right? That's options. Oh no, never mind. Provided further that if, maybe not, I'm not sure, that if an incentive stock option shall be granted to a 10% holder, such option may not be exercised later than 5 years after its date of grant. So they're talking about not only, I think, based on this, they're not only talking about the incentive stock option, but they're talking about literal options as well. They need a parentheses right here and say call options, put options, etc. Not that. Based on my knowledge here, they cannot, if they were to get an option from... Hold on. I don't know if it would be from this plan or just any option. I'm a little confused. God, we're losing viewers. We're losing viewers from this jargon here. Anyways, I'll do some digging on this later. Basically, I don't think this says. I don't think the information we're looking for is in the second one, but it says it is. It says restricted period, and then it says or the conditions to vesting applicable, right? Which I would assume that would be in the parentheses section, which we just checked, and it's not there based on what I saw. Anyways, let's go back to Bitcoin and the charts and everything and see what we got. Should we YOLO in more? Should we? We are dipping very much after hours. Honestly, I should add more. Honestly, the RSU, the stock incentive plan. That's not the abbreviations for the stock incentive plan. What do you mean RCU? What do you mean RCU? Sorry, my brain is that's probably something obvious that I'm not thinking about, that I'm not thinking of. What a day! Strong support and good grind up to take the 4-hour end by Friday, and the daily PSAR pivot to break resistance at 6. Yeah, it was really, Bionano did show a lot of strength today, and actually one thing that I think happened today, given that it was such a damn slow grinding battle with the bears, just slowly uptrending, slowly making higher lows and higher highs. And same thing with Bitcoin, and same thing with most stocks. Do you know why that is? There is so much fear. There is so much fear that people were just waiting to buy the dip because they wanted confirmation signs, which I hate the whole, oh, wait for confirmation. If you wait for all the confirmations, you're not going to buy the dip. You're going to be buying high. You have to, at some point, go out on a limb and say, hey, the fundamental value of this company is higher than what it's trading at. I'm buying in. So I don't know. Anyways, yeah, we did close. The NASDAQ did close the day right at a crucial level of support. We closed the day right at what we closed at yesterday. That's really interesting. Prediction for tomorrow. Masab, I'm more bullish for tomorrow for the NASDAQ, but I say that every day. I say that every day because we're at the same level. We're still fundamentally undervalued short term. We are fundamentally undervalued short term. And tomorrow, economic calendar, I don't think we have anything crazy. Right. So Wednesday, we need Thursday the 20th. So we have the job claims. That could be really good for us. And we have one Fed president speaking as of now. And then we have the index of leading economic calendar. So that could be something. And then the Philadelphia Fed manufacturing index. Who gives a crap about that, right? Somebody tell me, Kate, I'm not an expert on all of these freaking statistics. So tell me if you think, if you're more experienced with the economic calendar and all this crap events that happens, right? I mean, they're important. Obviously, you'd be effectuating the fallacy of composition if you had said the NASDAQ was bullish, but didn't look at the events coming up. But anyways, and tell me if some of this stuff is more important than I think, but this is not important. This could be important, and this is obviously important. And then these two are actually, I wouldn't say these two are important, but they are a little bit, I would say, just because typically the markets are so irrational when it comes to these. Now, when it comes to the April, the month, when it comes to the job numbers, like, you know, the 260K jobs out of the 1 million estimate for a month, that is something that is huge, I think. So yeah, very interesting day. Look at it. Oh god, the NASDAQ is so weird. Don't even get me started on how weird the NASDAQ's price action has been. Okay, it's been so weird. All right, I mean, I'm sure you can figure out why. We literally had 2 daily closes below the ascending level. We went up, then we gapped down, then we went right back in it. It's like, is this even a level of importance? Actually, you know what? Just to mark that for everyone, I'm gonna make this orange just so it stands out, because this is like half of a support level and half of a level that the price action doesn't even care about. But I can't move it because we have a perfect validation before. And if we and in the same exact position, we have validations good. We have a perfect validation going all the way back as far as the 28th of February last year. So it's like, well, it's validated. I can't move it, but the price action doesn't care. It's like, what the and this can largely be explained probably with the fear in the markets. So, but still, it's so weird still. I feel like that crypto crash might add more fear to the market, or it might add more reason for a set rotation back into high growth. That's what we've been talking about for a while. It was a 5-year tenure for me to be vested in stock option, 1 year for 401k with some sort of company. For me to be vested into stock options. Yeah, okay, that's good information, PatriotPub, my friend. I'm sure you heard what I said, but I'm going to repeat it for everyone just in case. Does anyone know? Well, I guess no. I guess there's no way. I'm just going to have to do digging in this document tonight. Let me write that down. Well, I'll remember. I'm just going to keep the tab open, but yeah. So Bngo is spring loaded right now, but it does not want to go down. I know it does not. It does not. I don't think it does, at least. And here's one reason why I don't think Bionano wants to go down. If we look at the level 2 data, I don't know what it is right now, but basically at 5:30, and that was the level that I was loading. That's the level that I put a buy limit order in for today. I don't think it got filled, but I did add like 10. How many shares did I add this morning? Does anyone remember? I added like 10 to 20 shares for Bionano this morning. Then I added obviously 30 more right before the close. I'm already down on that one. That's awesome. Anyways, what was I going to say? Yeah, the level 2 data, a lot of bulls. There was a lot of orders, and there would have been a lot more volume if we tested that 530 wall. Also, I want to talk about. Wow, look at that green. Wait, what? I thought this was red. Am I going crazy? Oh, it's the 5 minute. That's why. Okay, never mind. Never mind. I'm not going crazy because I could have sworn the 1 minute opening candle was very red. If we go to the 5 minute, though, it's very green, of course. And also another bullish thing for tomorrow for Bionano, and this is for most stocks given the Nasdaq. But look at the volume before the close. Look at that volume. That means people are getting in right before close. It's very bullish. Damn, how many shares do you have now? 1,392. It's right there, my friend Masab. AGTC, Brandon bullish. Okay, that's like the third time you asked. Okay, it's time for me to cover AGTC. Right. What did you say? You said it was a double bottom. Oh, you said to confirm whether it was a W or a cup and handle. Both. This is crazy. You actually have both here. This is not only is this a W, and now whether the W starts here or here or here, right? You know, it's probably more like this one, I would say. But you also have a cup and handle. Wow, that's actually really bullish. That makes me want to invest in AGTC. I'm not gonna lie. The technical, I really like the technical setup. Pair that with the fundamentals of this company being pretty damn good, and that's an auspicious buy right now for AGTC. This is the most bullish technical setup I've seen in a while, actually. And I don't mean, I'm not investing in this company, okay? So if you want to say, oh, Brandon, you only like the technicals of the stocks you invest in. No, my friends, that's not true. I give you all the indicators for Bngo, whether it's bullish or bearish every day. Yeah, it is bullish. It is. But here's the thing. You could consolidate for a couple more days and then break out of that handle, and then it could still be bullish. So if you are looking for AGTC, draw up that handle on the 1 hourly, I would say, or 30 minute, or at most 2 hourly or 4 hourly, then play the breakout, or get in on the ascending level, or descending level. Depends on what the handle is. Probably descending. Where's the run to? Dude, the AGTC, it could be the start to hitting the analyst price targets. Analysts are insanely bullish on AGTC, which I hate analysts, but the fact that they are predicting like a 6x in a year is insane. It is a boomstick. Confirm that for me. Actually, let me just look for let me just look for myself. Analysts. Yeah, look at this. This is for a year too, and these price targets, they perpetually are for 12 months to the date of whatever today is. I believe that, to my knowledge, that's what I think. So the high is $35. I thought the average was higher than 16. I mean, that's still a 4x. You can't complain. But yeah, based on those things alone, and then if you do, I haven't done a ton of digging on this company. Boomstick, if you want me to invest in this company, just send me a great due diligence, and I'll read it over. I'll give it a skim at least. Send me a great due diligence to this company, like not a typical Reddit one that sucks ass, like a full one that we do for Bionano. If you want me to take a look at it, yes, analysts have $25 once. It's ridiculous. Yeah, I know it is. AGTC is an exciting one. Yeah, but no one knows about it, and there's no volume, and there's not much interest, my friends. So be careful, Boomstick. There's no interest of the company, really. No one on Reddit, no one on YouTube, no one's talking about AGTC, I promise you. Or at least last I was, to my knowledge, I guess. Bitcoin, 39K. Got rejected again. We've got a nice cup and handle here. We do have a handle, but this is a really sharp descending handle, which I don't really like. Let's draw up that handle. Dude, this is going to be pretty crazy. I might, oh, I don't have any day trades left today. I don't think I have any day trades. Okay, no, I have one. Okay, good. But yeah, once Bitcoin breaks out of that, that's an entry point on Mora, and then play it to the upside. Look at that. It's the exact same descending wedge there out in the after hours. Some insiders buying right now as well. Oh, Mr. Invest a lot, my friend. All right, is this a good time for us to unleash the all the YouTubers are coming in because the title. I did YOLO it. It's a little bit of clickbait, but I did YOLO in a little bit. I added some shares. Now I got a lot of shares now. Anyways, but yeah, Mr. Invest a lot, my friend. I'm gonna email you. This is a great timing. Both of the other Bngo YouTubers came in right now. This is great timing. We've been thinking of a plan, my friend. We've been thinking of a plan to fly down to California, go to Bionano. Brandon, what you saying? Are you loading up on a weekly on Bngo? Cowboys in the house, baby. I love it. Am I loading up on a weekly? I'm trying to accumulate as many shares as we're down. I'm here to say hello, all the Bngo Cowboys. I'm going to be buying more Bngo tomorrow. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. The Nasdaq is total gamble territory right now, but we are bullish short term for the Nasdaq. And Bionano's technicals, if Nasdaq goes green tomorrow, we're going to break $6. I would not be surprised if we break $6.20. and start heading to $7, $8 if the Nasdaq can do anything but shit itself. If it cannot shit itself, we are headed to $6 and beyond very soon. Where's the YOLO? Okay, should we YOLO again? Should we YOLO again in the after hours? Okay, screw it. Let's do another order. Come on, peer pressure. Peer pressure. All right, here we go. 20 shares, extended hours, boom. 555. Check the box, boom. Holding overnight, let's go. Mr. Investor, watch out for an email from me, my friend. I'm going to email you a very nice, awesome idea, which is very crazy at the same time, about going to Bionano's headquarters in California, having the trip paid for by Bionano themselves, filming it as a YouTube video, and blowing all of our channels up in the same time. Also, simultaneously increasing the stock price and volume and interest organically in a legal, that sounded like illegal, in a legal, natural, non-corrupt way. All we're doing is increasing the interest, getting people to view this 78-page document. Why do I always say 78? It's like 84 now. Yeah, it's 84-page document. We're trying to get people to buy this, or not buy this, to read this and then buy. But we're not pumping dumping. Yeah, Mr. Investor, can you go live with Brandon? Yes, Mr. Investor. Yeah, let me write. God, I got so many stuff. I got so much stuff to do. God, that's gonna be fun though. Yeah, Mr. Investor, let's do a stream. Let's do a collab, my friend. Let's do it. I'll email you sometime. I don't know when you want to do it, but yeah, man. Biggest collaboration in YouTube history. Yes, if we actually went to LA and San Diego and actually went to the Bionano's headquarters, that would be the biggest collab in history. It would be. I mean, we're talking Dr. Dean, Miss Money if you want, Mr. Veselot, Deo, whoever the hell else. Who else do we want? Who's the other ones you were calling? Chris Sane. Chris Sane wants to come. It's gonna be a weird mix of people. But it's going to be awesome. I have shared your DD and insights with my homies too. It's such a good play going forward. Hell yes. Look at the due diligence. Share it to your social medias. Join the Discord. Tell everyone what's up. And join the community, man. Join the community. We are not only are we investing in a company to make money, okay? At the end of the day, the number one reason why we're here is to make money. It's true. There's nothing bad about that. Drop me an email, baby. All right, my friend. All right, my friend. I will do. Will do. And what do you call it? Brennan. Oh, yeah, we're going to have Brennan as well. Brennan is coming as well. Yes. Brennan, Messenger of Moistville, Deo, whoever the heck, everyone is coming. As many people as Eric will allow, and to come into the headquarters and actually get an interview, facility tour, asking. And I'm so excited to ask the COO and the CFO about the operating expenses. Operating expenses are going to be, that's the thing that Simply Wall Street. Let me pull up Simply Wall Street here, show you what I'm talking about. Let me show you this BS. All right, this is what Simply Wall Street projects. They're thinking Bngo is going to be profitable only in 2025. That is their projection. They think the first positive EPS that we get is going to be 2025. Absolute bull, my friend. They're literally, and here's why I actually have a point to this story, right? I said I was going to ask the CEO, CFO. I want to talk to them. Look at the earnings per share. It goes down as the revenue is literally doubling every single year. Look at that. Okay, right now this is 2021, right? So we got 16 million. That's their projection for this year. 30 million, that's like a 90% year-over-year revenue growth. 57 million, that's 90% as well. Then that's 100% almost. That's 90% again. So they're projecting literally a flat rate, basically, except this one. This one they're projecting a freaking... No, okay, so yeah, they're basically projecting a flat rate of like 87, 88% year-over-year revenue growth. And yet the earnings per share goes down. So how else do you explain that, right? Well, operating expenses will be the other thing that you have to calculate when you do the earnings per share. So they're expecting operating expenses to literally grow the same as the earnings per, actually more. They're actually, because the earnings per share actually goes down. It doesn't stay consistent. It goes down more. So they're basically expecting, ape language, right? Let's just make this simple and be conservative. They're expecting operating expenses to literally increase more than at least 50% year over year every year for like the next three until 2025. Literally, and that's probably more like 100, 200% year over year revenue or year over year operating expenses increases, which is patently insane. And I want to go into the Bionano headquarters and ask them, what the hell? Why do people think your operating expenses are going to go down? What's going on here? Show me what improvements you're going to be making based on the learning curve and based on why, it's such an esoteric technology. Management is not that great right now. The average tenure, average experience is not that great. I want them to tell me why the operating expenses are going to decrease. Hopefully Bionano is projecting them to decrease. I'm hoping that Simply Wall Street doesn't know what they're doing. And also take a look at the last updated. They updated these literally the day after earnings, May 14th, Friday. Which, what the hell? What the hell? How are you? Somebody explain me why Simply Wall Street thinks operating expenses are just gonna freaking, like, do they think Eric is just going and throwing money out the window? I don't know what's up with that. Anyways, did my order get filled? I think it did. Yep, it got filled. I got another, what was that? What did I do last time? 20 shares? 20 shares at 555. Yeah, I added another 20 shares at 555. Okay, listen to me right now. We could easily see $5 tomorrow. 430, 530, 430, 3. Okay, hell, who knows? Robbie could be right with his damn $3 prediction by May 21st. We can be right. For me, I believe in the company and I'm willing to take the risk. The channel's reputation is on it. Everything I've done, every 10 hours work a day, last 3 months, my whole reputation is on Bionano. Long term, a year from now, you will wish you were accumulating as many shares as you could on the way down, I think, because you're never going to see $5 again in a couple months. I think we could never see below $5 again from here if the NASDAQ could do what it should and go to all-time highs like it should and go to relatively what the SPY and Dow Jones's valuation is, right? Or high growth even if high growth does good. That's all we need. Look, is the fear index spiking right now? Let me see. That's probably why everything is screwing over. Yeah, SPY is down, Russell is down, UVXY is up. Fear index, fear is up, man. That's why everything's down after hours. Red Bull. Red Bull gives you wings. Bngo gives you wings. He likes the stonk. This is the way. This is the way, boys. YOLOing life savings in Bngo, man. I mean, basically, I kind of already have done that, right? Let's see how much money I have in Bionano right now. 1,400 shares, my friends. 1,407, almost $8,000. $8,000. It's a lot for me. I'm in college, all right? You have to figure out I'm in college, my friends. I'm in college. $3 only if Robbie kidnaps the CEO. Honestly, I don't even know if it would probably take a shot in the head by Robbie, if you know what I mean. That joke I'm never gonna stop saying shot in the head. I'm sorry if you're new here and you don't know what the hell I'm talking about. I don't even know. A support at 6 might even be possible by next week. Yes, it will be. It will be. I guarantee you if the NASDAQ does anything that doesn't shit itself, well, I can't guarantee you, I guess, but if the NASDAQ does decent, we're going to 6, we're going to 650, we're going to 7, $8. I'm going to upgrade the price target. Right now, my month out price target is actually, what is it right now? Technically, it's $6. Okay, the only reason why we're $6 is because I bloody, what do you call it? I did it on May 13th, which was right before earnings. Big gamble. Okay, the earnings. I was more bullish on earnings. We predicted that, fairly well. But yeah, that's the only reason why we're that bearish. And I mean, that's not bearish. That's fine. If we can hold above 6, that's great, man. And I think we will. I think we will by end of month or May 13th. The accent cracked me up. Oh God, my accent's so bad. I wish I could do a Scottish accent. I don't know. I don't know what the hell. I get off track quickly. Don't bring up Lord of the Rings or Star Wars, or I'll go on a tangent about that. So yeah, Mr. Investlaw, we're gonna do a stream. Me and Mr. Investlaw are gonna do a stream sometime. I mean, I haven't even asked him yet. I'm just assuming he's gonna say yes because he will. You must say yes. I'm forcing you to say yes, Mr. Investlaw. Wait, Michael is his name. Wait, how do you? Am I pronounced that right? Miguel. I'm an idiot. My brain cells aren't working. Too many SEC filings. Miguel and I are going to do a stream. I don't know, sometime this week, next week. Illumina acquisition, Bionano. Yes, if there was one company to acquire Bionano, it would be Illumina. I have an entire section on this in the 86-page document. Let me go right here. Not only do we have an article of the CEO himself of Bionano, literally, I'm quoting him when I say this. Here, I'll show you the quote right here so I don't screw it up. So we are a very perfect complement to sequencers out in the field, right? So short read sequencing, Illumina, whatever, right? What they do, we're a perfect complement to them. And if you're Illumina, right? I mean, I've already given you the spiel. I think I gave you the spiel yesterday. But if you're Illumina and you got this new kid in the block that is that's threatening to disrupt all that you've worked on in the last 5 years, and they only have a are we at 1.6 billion market cap right now, right? It goes down and up. It goes up and down so much. I don't even know. It's like, I think it's like 1.5, 1.6 billion market cap right now. But anyways, back to my point. Why would Illumina not spend the money just to buy us out to save themselves the risk of Bionano literally disrupting everything in the sequencing field? It makes so much sense. Okay, so market cap's 1.562 billion. On 5-minute chart, hitting 5-minute SAR. Let me check that. 5-minute chart in the after hours. Let me see. All right, the SAR here. Yep. Yep, we are getting rejected. Getting rejected, man. The 5-minute is not a great indication, though. Okay, the 30-minute is where it actually starts. You see, right when we went green at the end of the day here, we kind of got that flip on the 30-minute. We have reversal signs short term, right? Hourly, we're bullish. Look at that. That's actually a really bullish sign right there, okay? The hourly is not as great as the 4-hourly or the daily, right? I always say 4-hourly and daily are the most important SARs and super trends. And for me, we got the bullish flip in the 1-hourly, though. That's very good. That's very good news. And also, are we holding the ascending level that I drew up as a joke? We're holding it. Wow. All right. Well, I honestly, I kind of doubt we're going to hold this in after hours because there's no damn volume. But that's an entry point right now. Bngo is a one-way ticket to paradise. Bngo will have to expand manufacturing to meet demand. That's an expensive task. Yes, my friend. Oh, I wish I had the source right now. Let me see if I added this in. 150. I don't think I do. Oh, that's not right. That's not right. Hold on. Can't type. God, what was I gonna? The 150. Yeah, there actually is. Yeah, here it is. Wait, no. No, that's not it. No, it's not it. I don't think I actually added it in here yet. I need to add that. Brennan, get in here. Send me the link for the order thing. Brennan, please tell me you're still here. Anyways, I'll try to recall it best I remember. Basically, that's a great question. Patriot Pub, right? I did talk about this briefly, but I need to make a video on this. But it's actually more speculation than factual, so I don't want to do that. Bngo will have to expand manufacturing to meet demand, right? Actually, they already have. Apparently, right? It is a reliable source, but it's not exactly, okay? It's not as reliable as like the company's website or an earnings report or a quote. There was an employee of Paramit, which is the manufacturing plant for the Sapphire of Bionano. Bionano doesn't own it. They just manufacture the products for Bionano. Apparently, an employee received a code, which for some reason he told Brennan or someone else. I don't remember who actually got it firsthand from him, from the employee that said it. They received a code for 150 from Bionano, which I guess I'm assuming means 150 sapphires to be manufactured by the end of 2021. That would imply probably, now I'm not going to do the whole spiel because it would just take another 2 minutes, but more orders, more demand, that is going to equal more supply. The only reason why Bionano will be increasing the supply is if the demand is likely to increase or if it already has increased. So 43 sapphires installed by the end of the year. Here, let me do some math for you so I can fact check myself for you. I love fact checking myself on stream so no one can dispute what I'm saying. 150K times 43, which is the amount of sapphires that Bionano themselves is projecting to be done by the end of the year. This equals 6.5 million. Now, we apparently have 150 sapphires to be made by the end of 2021. Let's be conservative and say, let's just say a third of those are going to be extra, right? So let's say a 50 extra, right? Add 43 to 50. What do you get? 93. Let's say we get 93 sapphires sold by the end of the year, right? Totally possible, right? 150K. This is the price of the sapphire, by the way, if you didn't know what that was. This is going to be $13 million. And that, you add the consumable revenue and lineage in and the accounts receivable that we're going to get, $1 million, $2 million, because people owe us it. And that does count as revenue, I believe. That is enough to blow out. That is enough to be positive Q4 EPS easily. And that's not even counting the Sapphire 2.0 upgrades, right? And that's not even including the upgraded volume and consumable sales that we're going to get because of the higher throughput capabilities that these high volume labs are going to be adopting. So it's really, I'm really confident. This is just one reason. That's speculative, of course, sure, but that's man, come on, man. How can you not get excited about that? We're going to be positive, or at least the revenue is going to be absolutely insane revenue. Rest of the year for every other quarter, right? Q2, Q3, especially Q4. If anything that I'm thinking of is correct whatsoever. Anyone know where I can watch NNDM release? Oh gosh, what time is the Nano Dimension release? There's not enough viewers for me to stream that. I mean, I guess I could. I'm not even invested in Nano Dimension. I feel like an ass, earnings report, earnings time. Yes, but what time? Oh gosh, let's go to Nano Dimension's website. Let me see if it's at a really good time. Maybe I would just go ahead and do it, but I honestly doubt it, just because I don't think it's going to be worth it. Gosh, come on, come on. YOLO, show the math for selling 103. What the? That's funny as hell. I'm gonna do that just because it's funny. All right, YOLO, show the math for selling 193 sapphires. Hell yes. Oh boy. All right, 28 million. Wait, is that 123 123? So 28 million. Yeah, that's. It would be over. It would be over if that happened, man. It would be so over. And yeah, man, YOLO in. YOLO in for the revenue for Bionano. Hell yes. Hell yes. Is there any news that I'm missing here? Let me check this. No, it doesn't look like there is much. All right. Hey, let me see if these guys added any input on this. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. All right. What else do we got? Let me check the Bionano Twitter here, see if we got anything new to talk about. Before we go to Bitcoin, I want to talk about Bitcoin and a couple other okay, here you go. Okay, so they posted this. Good, good, good. Good. Let's see if they email me back, actually. Let's see if Bionano email me back. The IR. I sent the oh, here we go. Oh no, that's just an alert, dang it. Okay. They sent me the alert, but not the reply to my idea. Okay, my phone's got 10% battery. All right. I could technically just switch the camera on stream, but I'm not going to do that because I'm going to get out of here pretty soon. We're going to end the stream pretty soon, boys. Hey, but since we have 100 people watching, can you do 2 fast minutes on the short interest and your view on a squeeze? So the short interest, right? So the short interest for Bionano, yes, short interest has increased by roughly, what, 2.5 million shares. Yeah, and if we look at the actual short interest percentage, I think it's about, what is it? It's about 17%, according to FinViz, which is a pretty good information source. I want to get that one freaking site for the short interest that Trades has, but there's money I have to pay for that. And actually, if I could just upgrade to premium fintel.io, they would tell us everything. We would have everything. Anyways, yeah, short interest of the float is going to be 17%. So basically what this means is that there are, as of the last date, which was the 30th of April, it just updated last few days though, 31 million shares had been shorted but not yet covered, which basically means when they cover, they're going to buy back the shares and stop affecting the stock price in a negative way by shorting, resulting in the stock price going up. So the more shorts that we have here, that does technically, it's kind of bearish as there are more shorts trying to make profit off Bionano, but there's also more potential for a short squeeze, which is kind of what we have got. Some of this was definitely a short squeeze. Some of it certainly was since 4:30. The earnings report, it's been a slow bleed, which typically short squeezes are really quick. But if you actually look at the chart here, the times that we're actually moving on the hourly, it's really quick moves to the upside. Then shorts are coming, then they're covering, then we're going up, consolidating, going up, shorts coming, right? So it's kind of the same pattern, right? We go up, shorts come in, and then we go up again, right? So it's kind of an interesting battle here, and we'll see what happens. But yes, there is absolutely a potential for a short squeeze, 100%. 100,000%. And that's not even the market manipulation. That's not even a reason for the market manipulation that I know for a fact. In my opinion, it's factual. It's 99.99% chance that market manipulation has occurred several times and is occurring in Bionano stock price. I have an entire section and a video on the AMC, why Bionano is the new AMC, about short interest, market manipulation, and I have a whole section in the document that you can see right there. Let me check that Reddit post that we did a while ago. We did post the due diligence to Reddit. To Superstonk, to r/Superstonk, which I love the name already. Hopefully it's as good as it sounds. Let's see. Wow, okay. What? 27 comments. What? Holy, is this a GME only? Oh, is this a GME only thread, man? It's only GME. Oh, it only says specifically. It doesn't say exclusively. What the hell? Well, that didn't work. The person who recommended Superstonk, that did not work. We're gonna have to delete this post because we literally just got people what's the word? I don't know. Tearing it down. Damn. Yeah, I did not know that. I was not in Super Stomp before. Someone just told me to post it there, so I did. Anyways, yeah, whatever. Whatever, it don't matter. Every time it drops, we buy more. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. If it drops below 5, I'm selling all my gold shares and buying Bngo. Yes, sir. If Bionano drops below 5, it's not necessarily a bad thing. I'm loading my 100% of my. I will have Bionano as 100% of the portfolio, probably, if Bionano sees $4, any fours whatsoever. Yep. Anything short of this rocketing in the next few weeks, boys. Strap on tight. Really, Brian, very bullish on the Nasdaq next few weeks, huh? You think inflation's not gonna be that bad? Better than the estimates? Show the math on 10,000 machine sales. All right. Well, I exited the thing, so I guess not, maybe. What else do we have to talk about? I think that's pretty much it. Let me talk about crypto here. Unless you guys have some great questions, we're going to end it in about 5 to 10 minutes max. Okay. More is down after hours. Bitcoin's down after hours. Ooh. Oh, wow. Okay. That cup and handle was a fail. This was a nice cup and handle, but it didn't really get to that previous high, but still, you can make the argument for the cup starting right here. Like, that happens plenty of times. I mean, if we just look right here, like, okay, yeah, you didn't necessarily get to the high, but it's still a perfect cup and handle. So very weird price action. A little bit of Bitcoin weakness right now. A little bit of profit taking. Nothing wrong with that. I mean, I'm glad, honestly. Okay, I took profits on more. Like, I'm basically out of the stock now. I did have 57 shares this morning. I've been taking profits today, and now I only have 14. See if anything is moving in the after hours. Not really. After hours is really boring, at least right after the market at close. Usually, unless there's news, there's really no movement at all, typically. I'll sell my girl. Does anyone want a short Mexican girl that complains a lot? Hedge funds have so much cash by the side ready to pour in the markets. Just hope we hit bottoms. Yeah, a lot of people are waiting for those signs of reversal, and I'm telling you, man, oh, people are being a little bit too stringent, I think, as to buying the dip. But there are reasons why they are waiting. There's the inflation risks. That's why. But here's the thing: the technical reversal signs, that's not going to do shit against the fundamentals. Fundamentals, catalysts, all these things trumps any sort of line or indicator that you're on the charts 100% of the time. Do you think shorts covering is a bullish sign? Of course it is. Well, I mean, it's not really a bullish sign. Shorts covering results in the price going higher in the aggregate, 100%. So, do you expect Bngo to go to $15 USD within 2 months? I'll say I think we could realistically hit 15 if the Nasdaq goes and does what it should, break above all time highs and stays there. Yes, Bionano could be $15 a share. Yes, absolutely. Now, probable. We're probably closer to $10 a share price target within 2 months if the Nasdaq goes up that much. 10, 11, 12 maybe. So. Plus, there's not really anything. Plus, another scenario here is that we are really actually gonna do the big ass cup and handle. That is certainly, if the Nasdaq gets its act together and the Fed, and we can survive and we can still sustain a bull market roughly after the Fed does whatever stupid stuff they're gonna do, which is actually good long term for the markets, right? Can't print money forever and have a stable economy, right? Can't keep interest rates super low forever. Once they change, if we can survive that, we could be getting a big ass cup and handle here, and we could be about at 15. What would the trajectory be? I don't know, 15 at fucking later this month, right before September, August, man. So AM soup party, do you mean like morning soup party? I'm about to split. Yeah, we're doing the market stream, market every day, market open stream, man, for everyone. Yeah, so make sure that's the funnest stream. That's the most fun stream we do. Anyways, yeah, let's get out of here, man. There's nothing else to talk about today. BIOL is best case because it's stable, $20. You can take long-term gains. Yeah, well, I don't know if a BIOL is necessarily best case. The best case is the nano nozzle comes out this year, and the Sapphire sales go up, and optical genome mapping, and they're specifically the nano channels linearizing the DNA, all their technology that makes Bionano special. The best case is that comes to fruition. Every institution adopts it. Global Sapphire adoption, which is their goal, quote by the chief financial officer and the CEO, we make karyotyping the old standard. You know, we make it the old standard, and we are the new standard. And there's a huge market. One thing that I am trying to find out, and I don't think this is an impossible question. If anyone can answer this, I will be very surprised. But I'm trying to figure out right now some way, if there's any way to calculate out of the customers, out of the clients for Bionano, how many of them still use karyotyping? And not of Bionano, of the customers, of the people looking for genome analysis and specifically greater than 500 base pair structural variation detection for that specific niche. How many? What's the pie chart, right? I'd love to see a pie chart of people who are using Sapphire, people who are karyotyping, CMA, PacBio's Hi-Fi, and all the other methods for larger than 500 base pair structural variation detection. If Sapphire's penetration is low, that's even more bullish, actually, believe it or not, because there's just more demand for more customers for us. Anyways, yeah, we're out of here. We're out of here. No, there is nothing new. I mean, if you wait, you haven't been here at all. There is one thing that's new for Bionano. We have the here. Let me just go to Webull and get it. Yeah, for anyone who did it here, I'll be covered. Actually, you know what? I'll cover this in the video tonight, maybe more in depth. I mean, there's not much to cover, but yeah, we're gonna be. I'll set a live stream for this. We're gonna be covering this. It starts at 7 o'clock Central Time, so 1.5 hours before the market open. We're gonna be streaming the webcast. Yep. So that'll be fun. Hopefully they say something crazy. Hopefully, wouldn't it be just insane if they said if the company management actually went out and said they have nano nozzle, and the only presentation that we have streamed besides earnings so far is the first, you know, the only one we stream actually turns out to be the big one. Wouldn't that be just amazing? All right, anyways, we're out of here. We're out of here, man. Current positions. Let's show those sweet current positions. There you go, my friends. Those are the current positions. Boom, boom. Take a pause right now if you want to see all of my portfolio right there. Anyways, relevant information in regards to titles finished now. I have not updated this still. Am I ever going to update this? I don't know. Anyways, all right, man. Thank you so much. This is not financial advice. I will see y'all in the next one.